Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys are not new, hey girl. So I look bald headed. Guys, I have a ponytail back here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I'm not bald headed. But anyway, so today's video is gonna kind of be like a vlog. Don't get mad at me, guys. I just came from Target. I know I should have recorded while I was there, but I totally forgot. And I haven't been really feeling well lately, guys. So hence why my kitchen, there's dishes down here, and like island looks a mess, and like it's just a mess. This was from breakfast this morning. I mean that. But yeah, so it looks crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target, just in case you guys are wondering. Nothing crazy. I did also go to Sephora because I needed some stuff for my face, and I got actually some things I needed for my face at Target. Usually I go to Walmart and get that stuff, but I was like, oh, since I'm in Target, might as well just do it there. So I'm gonna clean up down here because, like I said, I haven't been feeling well, so I haven't really been cleaning up before I go upstairs for bed. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna unload the dishwasher, put those dirty ones in the dishwasher, and then also have to cook dinner, which is probably gonna be spaghetti because that's what Anthony asked me to make for him and the girls. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, guys, so if you guys are interested in watching this video, please keep watching. And also, guys, I'm sure you guys already know what I'm about to say. If you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, guys, what are you doing? Just subscribe. And yeah, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start off with stuff that I got for my face that I ran out of. So I got essentials. This is very important. So I got some cotton rounds. I needed a nail filer. I've been needing it for like a couple years now, and I was like, why not get it? It was at Target for like $1.20. I got some eyebrow gel. I wanted to try this NYX one. I've heard like really good things about it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. So I wanted to get that. It's an eyebrow gel. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. They didn't really have a lot of shades, but this one's like espresso, so I figured it should be dark. So we'll see how that works out. And then onto my face, I got this ultra gentle daily cleanser. It's a foaming formula. It's for sensitive skin, rinses clean without over drying. So I want to try this out. It says it's new, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it was like pretty expensive. I think it was like, well, I mean, not expensive, but I think it was like $7. I'm not sure. But yeah, and then I also got, oh yeah, this is from Neutrogena. That's what I mostly use Neutrogena, nothing really, like to wash my face and stuff. And I use their moisturizer too. But I wanted to try different moisturizers, which I got from Sephora. So if you guys want to see that, what moisturizer I did get, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make another video for that. But so yeah, so, and also I got this, usually I just get the regular one that's in the blue bottle, but this one I wanted to try it. It's from Neutrogena. It says pore refining toner. Visibly reduces the appearance of pores and refines skin. So I want to try this out and see how this works. I don't know if it doesn't smell bad. Oh, it actually smells good. But yeah, so we'll see how that one goes. Usually, like I said, I just use the one that's in the blue bottle, the regular one. So so we'll see if this works. So now on to like the little groceries, which is nothing. I got like 2 of these ginger ale because like now all of a sudden I'm like really gassy. I don't know why. So like sometimes like before bed, like I'm so gassy that I feel like I'm about to choke. So when I drink ginger ale, it kind of helps. So I got 2 of these. I needed Listerine, so I got that. I got avocados and some lemons, so I can make my avocado toast with my fried egg in the morning. I'll probably do that tomorrow morning. So I might record that so you guys can see how I make it. And then I got these. We're obsessed with these right now, and Target had them for like 2 for $5. So I was like, hey girl. And like I said, I'm gonna be making spaghetti. So I got this. I've never tried this brand. Hopefully it's good. It's called Traditional. Yeah, so we'll see how that works. Then I got some bananas for my oatmeal. This is like my go-to breakfast oatmeal with cut up bananas. Sometimes I put strawberries in them, but not all the time. And blueberries. And then I needed some sugar. I don't use this sugar like that, but I needed it to make banana bread for the girls. I have some like ripe bananas, and I want to try to make banana bread. I wanted to make it tonight. I don't know if I'll make it tonight, but yeah. And then also almond flour, because the recipe that I saw, they use almond flour and like regular flour. So yeah, that's for that. And then last but not least, Nutella. I usually eat pretzels and Nutella. I'm obsessed with Nutella. I'm new to Nutella and I just love it. Like, where have I been? Living under a rock, I guess. But yeah, so that's it for, oh yeah, and then I got this t-shirt from Target. It was like $8 or $9. But the brand is A New Day. But I don't know, I figured it would be cool, like thick, nice and thick or whatever. So yeah. Not a t-shirt, like a, what do they call them? I don't know, wife beater, whatever. But yeah. So yeah, so that's all, guys. That's all I got from Target. Like I said, it wasn't much. I just had to get a couple of things. So now I'm just gonna clean up, get dinner ready, and yeah. So if you guys want to watch, I'm just kidding. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse so you guys can see the process and all that. Oh snap, I forgot. Look at me. And I got some wheat bread. I forgot. Got my toast. This brand is Sorelli. I love this bread. It's really good. We used to get the white one, but now, like, you know, I was like, let's get wheat. Even though we're not supposed to eat bread, but like, might as well eat wheat or whatever. And then I got some muffins, some blueberry muffins. Like, a couple weeks ago, I went to Target and I seen these, but I was like, I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if they're good because I never tried, like, you know, any of Target's like muffins or whatever. So I was like, whatever. And I saw them again today, so I was like, you know what, why not? Let me try it. So yeah, so I got these blueberry muffins. Hopefully they're good. They look good. They look kind of moist, so we'll see. So yeah, now I'm done. I think I'm done now. So yeah, so that's it for the little haul of what I got. So now, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up, getting this place nice and clean because it's been looking crazy for a couple of days now. So yeah, so let's get into it. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for sticking through the end of this video, for those of you guys that made it to the end. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. You guys might as well just join my family. We love you guys. And also, guys, if you guys enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.